Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 111th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. Demonstrate style. We'll start with doctype HTML. HTML tag, head, style tag, font family, now font family, Arial, Helvetica, monospace, font family, Lucida, console, monospace, now we'll end style tag, head tag, and we'll start body tag, h1 tag, css font family, now we'll end h1 tag, serif, now we'll end p tag, once again we'll use p class equals to sans serif, now we'll end p tag, monospace, now we'll end p tag, body tag, and html tags. But before that, let me give you some information about serif tag. Serif means Times New Roman, and sans serif means Arial Verden, and monospace means Fourier New Lucidia Console. These are the name of texts, and now we'll just save the program with the extension .html and in all files. So now we'll just save it, and now let us check the output. So this is our basic output of how to write a code and demonstrate style. And don't forget to check the tags in description for the clear and basic understanding. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for amazing computer hacks.